Hey guys, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a smooth POV hook that you can use in your edits. First go to Layer, New, Solid and create a white solid layer. Press S on your keyboard to open the scale settings. Click the unlink button and reduce the value on the right side to turn the solid into a thin line. Then move it to the top of the screen. Now write your POV text. Choose a good font. I am using Arial Regular. Align the text to the center and adjust the size if needed. Select both the text layer and the white solid layer, then pre-compose them. Move 40 frames forward and add a position keyframe. Go back to the beginning and add another position keyframe. Now move the composition up until the white solid and text are completely out of the frame. Next, copy the first two keyframes and paste them at the end of the animation. Select the ending keyframes, right click, go to the keyframe assistant, time reverse keyframes. Select all your keyframes and press F9 to ease them. Finally, open the graph editor, switch to the speed graph and copy the graph shown on screen to get that smooth motion. And that's it, your smooth POV hook is now ready and can be used in any edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.